The subscriber portal is designed to be a simplified, mobile-friendly version of Vision to give subscribers self-management for common account actions. To the eyes of the company representative, the account portal interface will look very familiar, like a slimmed-down version of Vision's internal interface. This is intentional to help speed up the ease of navigation and to avoid the need for representatives to learn a second interface. An individual subscriber's login access to the secure online account portal can be created 3 different ways. Option 1. A portal user login can be set up by a representative using the plus floating action button on the subscriber account. Click on the Add Portal User icon and fill in the user login information. Account access can be given at any time. At the time of sign-up, prior to service being activated, or after the service is installed. A valid email is required to create a login. When a new portal login is added, a verification email will be sent automatically to the subscriber, who then must click on the activation link to verify their new login before signing in for the first time. Option 2. Subscribers can create a portal user login and password themselves online when initially signing up for a service through Vision's public shopping cart interface. Having the subscriber add a portal user login when they sign up for a service can be set as an optional or required field that can be configured in the Service Offers section of Vision's admin utilities. Option 3. A subscriber can self-register a new account login by using the self-sign-up portal site. This is a quick and easy way for a residential subscriber to set up a new portal login online. The subscriber first matches a phone number or account number along with the last name on the account. This will connect the correct account that is associated with the subscriber and will allow for the subscriber to set up a new portal login and password. The system will still send the verification email to ensure the subscriber entered a secure, accurate, and valid email.